happened now to the beans?
It seems that they have already some tails. And I think I see some with no tails.
Yes.
And so what are we going to do about that?
The one with no tails, we're gonna pick them up. If we can pick them up. Slowly. Okay, that one is still... It's okay. The others may take longer to sprout. Okay, just spray it generously. Spray a lot. You need a lot of water. Besides,
I can't spray this one. This is long and...
you can do it like that. You're not too much.
Why?
You're gonna drown the sprout. It's not good to have too much water as well. Let me do it like this, oh. Here, like that one.
The world! Seriously!
I didn't know. That's it. Cover it again.
Yeah, I'm hungry. And now...
Slowly. Okay, gentle. And put it back there.
Okay, we're gonna remove the box. We're just gonna take out the box that I put there. And then we're gonna place it back. Now, we're gonna do the same thing that we did last night. We're gonna take the box. We're gonna cover it up. And
Yeah, that's it. And then we're gonna wait for another, how many hours?
8,
12.
12.
What are we gonna do after 12 hours?
We're gonna water it again.
Good.
It's starting to grow now.
Okay, so we're gonna cover it
Back from all these stones.
and then put it in the dark again. That's it. So what are we gonna do now?
We're going to plant. We're going to check on our mung beans.
Hold on. Okay. Show Gabe as well. Gabe wants to be in the video. Let's see what happened to your mung beans. Oh, look at that. They're overflowing now.
Overflowing. Look at that.
See? Wow.
Wait.
Oops. Show it to the video. Look. All of them have tails now. They're like little tadpoles.
Yeah.
Yes. This time, instead of spraying it, if we spray, the one on the bottom will not get wet. So we gonna wash it.
How many times?
We'll go to the... Let's go to the kitchen. Okay.
I forgot to add.
Pause ko na. Okay. Then we'll wash it. Like that. Because if we spray, the water will just be on top. The bottom needs water too. So we're just gonna wash it like this. Make sure everything is wet. And then we're gonna drain the water like that. See? That's why this tray is good, because it can prevent the sprouts from falling over. That's it. Yeah, and then this is what it looks like on the. Today's the third day, right?
No.
Yeah, it's the third day. So we started it on Friday evening. So we'll wait for another.
Wait, I'm just going to Hi. So yeah, I'm the viewer. So if you want, you can give out in the comments. You can put in shout outs.
Yes. Okay.
Bye. Hi guys. So this is the final. So we're going to continue doing our video of our mung beans.
Okay, get your mung beans. This is what day is it now?
Day 3, I think. 4.
Day 4.
Look right now. They've grown into weeds.
Look at that. They're like little trees. See? Let's have a closer look. Wow, look how tall they grow. Imagine that.
And how tall did you say? And how tall are they supposed to be so we can harvest them?
So it will be just one more day. Tomorrow we're done. So when you water them, you're not gonna water on top because you're gonna destroy the sprout. So what you do is you water from the side like that, gently. Oops. So you have to feel. Okay, sure.
So hi viewers.
So like this.
Some of the beans are falling off.
Okay, those are the dead beans. Smell them. It's like smell like grass.
Oh, actually. What is it going to taste like? What is it going to taste like?
It's yummy if you cook it. Hey, say hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome.
Hi everyone. This is the final day, day 5, and we're gonna harvest our mung bean sprouts.
So describe to me what happened to your mung beans now.
They're very tall, and some of them, and it's too crowded because my dad planted too much.
Yes.
So some of them did not grow because it's too crowded. Like some of them are blocking their way.
Okay. So, do you wanna taste your mung bean?
Okay.
So just grab one sprout. So look at this. So, that's the root. Those are the roots.
But you can't eat.
You can eat the roots, but not raw. You can, when you cook, you can cook with the roots. And then that's the stem. And then this is the bean. Look at that. The bean now they peeled off. Look closer, guys.
See the giant beanstalk.
Yeah, and then the leaf, 2 leaves, the baby leaves started to come out. So if we didn't cover it with light, if we didn't cover it with shoebox, this yellow leaf will turn green and it will taste bitter. Yeah, so if you try to eat this, you can eat this because it's organic. We didn't put We didn't put any chemical in it.
He actually ate it.
Oh no, no. It's
actually
grassy. It's a little bit bitter.
have one.
For me, it didn't even feel like, it didn't even taste like bitter.
Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy. We're gonna cook that and it's gonna taste even better. Okay. So continue holding. I'm gonna harvest it.
Okay.
So this. Show to Dad. I mean, she might wanna eat this.
Have you noticed I actually
Oh,
swallowed,
Sherry, eat.
I actually swallowed the bottom of
Yum yum. Yum.
Haji, can you put the camera on me?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
guys, if you didn't know, I actually ate some of the fruit and actually swallowed it.
How does it taste like?
A bit good.
Okay, we're gonna eat the roots. We're not gonna cut it.
Yum, 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 yum.
We're gonna eat with the roots.
Yum, 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 yum.
It also tastes like, when you like bite it, it's like apple.
Yeah. Wow. Imagine if you buy this from the grocery with this bunch, it's like maybe around $4, $3 or $4.
Yum, yum, yum.
So you can actually make money with it. You can sell it,
Oh yeah.
right?
What
Let
do
it
you
grow,
do with the
and then you sell it.
Yeah.
So, guys, I hope you enjoy our video.
Yeah.
Till next time.
I hope you enjoyed. Hi guys. So today we're gonna eat the bean sprout, which is the mung bean sprout,
Yes, so
which my grandmother cooked.
what did she cook? How did she cook the bean sprout?
I don't know.
It's called lumpia.
Lumpia
In English, egg roll
and roll.
with bean sprout inside.
Bean sprout inside.
Try.
Mung bean sprouts are good for your body. It has so many vitamins, you can eat it as salad, soup, or mix it with different dishes. Mommy Bless made it into a yummy lumpia. I hope you enjoyed my science experiments, Daddy. I certainly have fun, and see you next time.